Do you believe it would be an unfair advantage to get into the mindset of the people interviewing you for your next career spot? Of course it would. So the question becomes, how do you do that in addition to the traditional research? So here's a good idea, is to think ahead before your interview, in fact, well before. What are difficulties that most employers face when it comes to their employees? People are there for a couple of months, quit, they don't like it because the job wasn't well qualified or defined. They weren't team players, they were drama kings or queens, and ego got to them and they offended everybody around them. No team playing there. Or they just didn't care about the company and didn't represent them in a good light. Anything else you can think of that you experienced, witnessed, or heard about in previous conversations or experiences, list it, think about it. What are the interesting or funny stories you might be able to share on your interview? Remember to keep your stories to 1 to 2 minutes because no one wants to listen at length. But become a storyteller and speak to these points in that format. The employer will think, aha, someone who gets it. As far as long-term employment, ask their question and answer. What would a career path look like? Because I plan on staying here a while. Your company is the type that I'm very much interested in, according to the research I've done. That allows for plenty of dialogue. Talk about being a team player, examples in your past positions, how you did that, how you encouraged others, motivated others, awards you might have won, where you excelled, what you liked best about your previous positions. And speak to it in the potential employer's terms and from their point of view. And that's how you begin to get into the mindset of who they're looking for, what they want. Obviously, you have to be truthful and move in integrity, because if your words, actions, and deeds don't match what exactly transpired, you're never going to get employed. So be honest, move in integrity, and share some of the past experiences you have had that demonstrate what they're interested in through 1 to 2 minute storytelling. That will help make the human connection one-to-one, make it very personal, and really hoist you up as the candidate and to be the next one to very possibly hear hired. Of course, it all takes practice, so line up many interviews. As you move along in the interviewing path, you become stronger and stronger as a candidate, and pretty soon you are the one to be hired. So I'd like to share with you, I'm having an event April 27th. It's called an Evening of Inspiration, and the tagline is, be inspired to be hired. It will be in San Francisco the evening of April 27th. Please call me, 800-704-1499 for details, or you may email me, Eleanor@smoothsale.net. For more information and a quick read on how to sell best and how to get hired, you will find in either of my 2 best-selling books, Nice Girls Do Get the Sale, Relationship Building That Gets Results, and in Hired, How to Use Sales Techniques to Sell Yourself on Interviews. Once again, I'm Eleanor Stutz, CEO of Smooth Sale, and my mission is to help you always make it a smooth sale of your own. Please let me know how I may best assist you.